Machines are getting smarter every day, but can they truly replace human intelligence? Will AI surpass us, or will human creativity always keep us ahead? Let's find out. Before we compare, let's define intelligence. Intelligence isn't just about solving math problems or storing information. It's about reasoning, creativity, and adaptation. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is designed to mimic human thinking. It's based on data, algorithms, and pattern recognition. AI can process information millions of times faster than a human. We see AI everywhere, from ChatGPT and self-driving cars to AI beating humans in games like chess and Go. Point. On the other hand, human intelligence is far more complex. Unlike AI, we don't just process data. We create, imagine, and feel emotions. We make decisions based on experiences, intuition, and ethics. Think of Einstein's theories, Shakespeare's writing, or Steve Jobs' innovations. All of these are things AI can't truly replicate. Now let's compare AI and humans. Who has the edge? AI strengths. AI is incredibly fast. It can process data in seconds, while humans take hours or even years. AI never gets tired. It works 24/7 without breaks. AI eliminates errors, no distractions, no emotional bias, just pure calculations. AI weaknesses. AI lacks emotions, creativity, and true understanding. It can generate art, but it doesn't feel the art. Next, AI can only work with pre-existing data. It doesn't invent something entirely new. Next, and then there's the big issue, ethics. AI raises concerns about job losses, bias, and misinformation. Now, let's look at human strengths. Humans are creative. We write music, paint, innovate, and think beyond existing data. Next, humans have emotions, empathy, and morals. We can care, understand, and make ethical decisions. We are adaptive. We can survive in extreme conditions, change our way of thinking, and constantly improve. But humans also have weakness. We are slow compared to AI. A computer can do calculations in milliseconds. We get tired, emotional, and sometimes biased. Unlike AI, humans need rest, food, and energy to function properly. AI-powered robots are even replacing human workers in industries. But here's the thing. AI still lacks true consciousness. It can't think independently, and it doesn't have real emotions or self-awareness. What about the future? Some experts believe AI will become as intelligent as humans. Others say humans and AI will merge, with brain chips like Neuralink enhancing our abilities. The question is, will AI be our tool, or will it take over? So AI versus human intelligence, who wins? The answer is neither. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about AI working with humans. AI will help us automate tasks, process massive amounts of data, and improve industries. But humans will always lead in creativity, ethics, and decision-making. In the end, AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to assist us. The real challenge is how we use AI responsibly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.